Hello guys, welcome to the C++ tutorial series. In this video, we will learn about the C++ standard library set container. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel mod.dev. Please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and turn on the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's dive in. In C++, the standard library set is a container that hosts unique objects or elements. To use the set container, you must include the set header into your source file. So in order to define a set in C++, you have to first of all include the set header file. So I'll go ahead and do that using the include directive. I'll say include set and then close the angle braces. Then I'll just define my set. First of all, I have to access the standard namespace and then access the set container. And in angle braces, you have to write the data type of the element that will be in your set. So I'll just go ahead and use integer in this example. And then what to follow is what the name of your set. So I'll just write numbers and then initialize it using the list initialization to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So upon doing this, I have defined a set in C++. So one thing you should note is that what sets in C++ hold only unique values. So when I put in duplicate values like let's say 2 again or 1 again, even though I don't get an error, one thing you should note is that what set must have only unique values. When I go ahead and loop through this set using the range based for loop, I'll get only one of these values outputted in my console. But we'll talk about the range based for loop in another video. So I'll just go ahead and then remove these duplicate values. Now in order to insert or add an element to the set, we use the insert member function. So in order to do that, I'll write the name of the set and then using the dot notation, I'll access the insert member function and let's say I'll add what 10 to the set. And one thing we can also do with the set is that we can access the number of elements in the set. So I'll just go ahead, cout, and then write the name of the set, and then using the dot notation, I can access the size member function, and when I go ahead and run that, we get 6 outputted in the console. Don't forget I'm adding 10. I can go ahead and add another element using the insert member function and add 20, and when I go ahead and print my size, hopefully we get 7. So that's all for this video about the standard library set container in C++. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section for discussion. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.